Ever wondered how to use tools that actually blend wellness, productivity, and money? Well, today I'm going to break down how to use these powerful resources in a way that transforms how you live, work, and invest, without the gimmicks or affiliate links you'll find in other videos. If you're tired of hearing about tools that don't actually move the needle for you, this one's for you. And trust me, I'll share a key insight at the end that could completely change the way you approach managing all three areas of your life. Now, when we think of wellness, we often imagine meditation apps or fitness trackers, right? But the truth is, the right tools can go way beyond that. Think about integrating your mental, physical, and financial health into one cohesive system. The tools you choose can do more than just track your steps. They can help you optimize your time, energy, and financial growth. Let's start with productivity. We all want to get more done, but not all productivity tools are created equal. The key here isn't just about cramming more into your day. It's about setting up systems that free up your time and mental space. Tools like Notion, for example, let you organize everything, your goals, your tasks, and even your health routines, all in one place. You don't need separate apps for every single area of your life. With the right tools, you can integrate your to-do lists, calendar, and even your wellness habits into one seamless workflow. What's the biggest productivity killer? Distraction. And it's not just about turning off your phone notifications, though that helps. It's about knowing when and how to step away to recharge. This is where wellness and productivity tools come together. Apps like Headspace or Calm are more than just meditation. They guide you through breaks, helping you decompress, reset, and focus on what really matters. Now, let's talk about how this ties into money. The connection might not be obvious at first, but when you have systems in place that prioritize both your time and your energy, you actually make better financial decisions. It's not just about tracking expenses. It's about maximizing your time so you can focus on building wealth. Tools like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, don't just help you budget. They give you insights into how to use your time and resources more effectively. But here's the game changer. To truly blend wellness, productivity, and money, you need tools that help you measure progress across all three areas. Something like a habit tracker app can be a goldmine. Why? Because it's not just tracking how many steps you took today, it's tracking how your financial habits, productivity routines, and wellness efforts all tie into each other. When you can see progress across all areas, you're more likely to stay motivated and keep moving forward. And that's how you achieve the kind of balance that leads to long-term success. I'm going to tell you something most creators won't. These tools are great, but only if you use them correctly. So many people get distracted by the latest app or trend, but the real value comes from consistency and knowing how to combine the right tools in a way that aligns with your personal goals. I've seen it firsthand. Tools that promise to transform your life, but only if you take the time to use them intentionally. The secret? It's all about integration. Now here's the thing you need to hear before you go. Many tools are designed to keep you engaged with features you don't need. They're made to create dependency, not freedom. I'm not incentivized by any affiliate commissions, so I'm telling you what really works without the fluff. The tools I mentioned earlier are the real deal. They don't come with hidden upsells or memberships that you don't need to be successful. And that's something most other creators won't tell you. So, if this content has added value to your life, and if you're tired of content that's driven by affiliate commissions, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here to share valuable, no-strings-attached content to help you live better, work smarter, and invest wisely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.